In MySQL, the insert command is the one that we want to use when we want to insert some records into an existing table. In this video, we'll be talking about the insert command and how we can use it to put data into our tables. The structure of this command is something like this. We want to type insert into, and then the table name, and inside a parenthesis we need to specify the column name, and if we want to add more columns we can separate it by comma, for example like this, and then we want to type the keyword values, and then inside another parenthesis we need to specify the new records data for call 1 separated by comma call to records, something like this. Now let's see how we can use it in actual projects. Here inside MySQL_tutorials database we have some tables. First let's take a look at the tables by doing show tables, and I want to see what's inside the lessons table now. Select all from lessons is a command that will index all of the data inserted into this table. As you see, we have 6 records here and we want to insert one more. So I type insert into lessons and I want to insert titles. So I type title, that is the name of this column, and after that values, and then the value that I want to insert into it. So I type lesson 7, for example, insert into tables. Note that I've used quotations to insert this data because it's in a string, and if we want to put in a string we want to wrap it inside quotations. If I press enter, the new record will be inserted, and if I do a select again we'll be seeing that the new record has been inserted. This easy we can insert into our MySQL tables using the insert command.